Okay guys, this is a 2020 Chev 1500 Trail Boss LT, leather, rebuilt title, theft, bed liner. C71 running boards here. '84 538 on the miles. Heated steering wheel, heated seats, tow package, backup camera, your tow, Bose, automatic windows, all-weather floor mats. Little rough right through here, something kind of rubbed on there, it looks like. No sunroof. Good BFG KO2s there. Shocks underneath there. Our sliding glass there. Wheel lock. There's that remote start, tailgate release there. Good looking truck here, guys. Check out all our inventory at realdealauto.com.